Hey guys, it's Puggy and Shyla. We've got a huge announcement. Big, very big, indeed. We're airing an all-new series. Shouldn't we tell them comedy series? Yep, comedy series called Shiloh and Puggy. You all know how Puggy's spelled, most likely. I'd hope. It's spelled P-U-G-G-I-E. That's P-U-G-G-I-E. My name, on the other hand, is spelled differently. Mine is spelled S-H-I-O-L-H. Oh, okay? Shiloh. Don't miss it. Okay? Bye.